The Firetown Committee presents Juggle or Struggle, a night where if you not juggle, ya go struggle. From out to the Badlands, Wolverhampton, Fire Sound meets from outer London, the great King Tubbys. Saturday, the 25th of October 2025 at the Old School, 73 Dudley Road, Blakenhall, Wolverhampton, WV2 3BY. From 10 p.m. till 8, tickets are £15 from Eventbrite or call 07914 Ladies, you're £10 before midnight. It will definitely be more at the door, or you can scan the QR code on the flyers. Juggle or Struggle, Saturday, the 25th of October 2025. Wolverhampton is the place to be. Fire Sound meets King Tubbys.